Good afternoon, all of you. So let us come to here. In today's class, we'll discuss a few hard questions. High and heating skills based upon heat and temperature. So let us discuss the first question. If you'll go to the first question, what is this? Observe carefully. The bulb of thermometer A. What is this? The bulb of thermometer A is coated with a lamp black, and the bulb of thermometer B is coated with a silver. One is coated with what? So bulb of thermometer. Two things I am taking. Understand? So this is the one thermometer bulb. So this is coated with what? Lamp black.
Yeah. Lamp black.
Black.
B is coated with silver,
And
sir.
another one is coated with what?
B is coated with silver.
Understand? So this is the thermometer 1 and this is the thermometer 2. Question number 1.
Thermometer 2.
Understand? So what they are asking, you see. So they are asking that thermometer B is coated with a silver. Both the thermometers are placed in sunshine. Both the thermometers is placed in sunshine for equal time. So which thermometer will show a higher rise in temperature? Can you able to say?
Sir, A, sir, A.
Why?
Sir, because dark color absorbs the light, sir, more in faster time, sir.
So two thermometers I am taking. One thermometer is a bulb is coated with a lamp black or black temperature, a black substance, and B1 is coated with a silver one. So as we know that silver looks like almost white in color. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So as we know, we have
Yes,
already studied in the previous classes. If you are applying the dark colors, what is happening, Hari? Dark colors.
Absorption of light is higher, sir.
Is it yes or no?
More
They are good absorbers of
Light. Dark
heat
light.
energy. Is it yes or no? Heat energy. So
Yes, sir.
silver color is what? Light color. So that
Light color. Bad absorber of heat.
so bad absorber of heat. So what they are asking? They are asking two questions. What is the first question? Concluded. Which thermometer will show a higher rise in temperature? So for that first question, what is the answer? Roman number 1.
First question, the answer is
You can say.
dark, lamp black.
What is one? A
Lamp
thermometer
black.
A will show higher
A.
temperature. That's all. A thermometer.
A.
A thermometer A
The thermometer A shows
will show higher temperature.
higher temperature.
Higher temperature. So this is what. Now, what is the second part you see? What is the second part? What conclusion is obtained from the above observation? What conclusion? What we can make? Conclusion. This is what.
That dark color object will absorb more heat.
Hari, you are not speaking, only Mari is speaking. So black objects are better absorbers of heat. Correct or not?
Heat.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
black objects. Black objects are better
Absorber of heat.
absorbers of heat. That's so. This is what the first question. Do you understand, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Next, the second question. Let us go for the second question. And so, what is that second question? You read it. All of you read the second question. Both of you. Let us see. One end of the object, such as a steel spoon. What is the spoon, Ra? Steel spoon.
Steel spoon.
A plastic scale, a pencil, and a divider. A divider is put in a beaker of hot water. Understand? So, in which of these objects,
Yes, sir.
the other end will get hot, and why it is happening? So, take totally 4 objects. Observe
Sir,
carefully.
steel spoon. Steel spoon.
Steel spoon, plastic scale, a pencil, and a divider.
Steel is a
Divider.
absorber of heat, sir.
So, divider.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
the
sir.
object? Tell me. What is the object?
Sir, steel spoon, sir. Steel spoon.
Next one.
Plastic spoon.
Plastic spoon. Next one. Pencil and a divider.
Yes, sir.
In our geometry box we have a like this one.
Scale.
Yes, sir.
Divider, not this one. Two pins is having. That is Mari. 2 pins.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
That is called as
Yes, sir.
divider. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, so observe carefully and tell me what is that.
Steel spoon, sir, because it is a conductor, sir. When it is contact to each other with heat. heat body.
They are the made up of metals which are good conductors of heat. So only one thing it is there. So you can see here, remaining three. Plastic spoon is a what? Hurry. Bad.
It's an insulator, sir.
It is a bad conductor.
Thermometer.
Bad
Yes, sir.
conductor.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Bad conductor
Which
of
one?
heat.
Pencil is also a wood. It is
Pencil.
made up of wood. Wood is also a what?
Yes, sir. Bad conductor, sir.
Understand?
Traps air, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Divider. At one edge it is having plastic one. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. In between only, sir,
But another side?
there is
What?
two. In between there will be metal, sir.
It is metal, but it is also here also metal. Everything metal, but another end it is what? Plastic.
Yes, sir.
So no heat transfer.
Plastic.
Yeah.
Yes,
No
sir.
heat transfer.
Transfer.
Now only the steel spoon. Why the only steel spoon? Steel spoon is what?
Steel spoon because metal, good conductor of heat.
Understand, Hari? So you have to write in a
Yes,
process
sir.
in a way that steel spoon and divider also. But divider another
Yes, sir.
one is what? Another one. Divider another side is not. But here if you touch it, here if you touch it, it will be heating or not? This
Yes,
part
sir.
no heat. But still here it is divider. It is made up of what? Have you seen the divider? Please on your video if you
Yes,
have
sir.
it, you can show me. You can show me. Video.
No,
So
sir. No.
it's not there?
No, sir.
Can I show?
Yes, sir.
Oh, here I have Kepra, geometry box. I got it luckily. Now you see.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
wait. So you can see here. This is what we should call as divider. What we should call?
Divider.
This is.
Divider, sir.
You can see this is called as divider. But you can see this is made up of what? Metal only, correct? Middle
Metal,
somewhere,
sir. Yes,
somewhere
sir.
we have a plastic. But if you'll keep this one, here if you started heating, here if you touch it, definitely will feel hot. Correct or not? Because of
Yes, sir.
because of
Because of
it is made up of
connector.
Metal.
Metal.
Metal. That is what
Metal.
you have to remember. Understand, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Steel spoon,
Yes, sir.
steel spoon and divider. In which one they are asking? So answer what you'll write? Steel spoon and divider.
Steel spoon,
They are made up
divider.
of metals and they are good conductors of what?
Metals.
Steel
Heat.
spoon and divider. Understanding? So
Yes, sir.
steel spoon and divider
Divider.
are
Good conductor of heat.
good conductors. Good conductors of heat because they are made up of what? They are,
Metal.
they are made up of metals. You
Metal.
understand? That is.
Yes, sir.
So next, third question. Go to the third question, Hari.
Sir, no, sir. Same question. There is another 1 point, sir.
Why? Why? That is answer. We already written. They are already made up of what? Metals. That is the reason.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Reason is what?
Yes, sir.
Metals are good conductors of heat. That's all. Next.
Steel
Third
is a
one.
good
Yes, sir.
conductor of heat, sir.
Yes. Next, third one. Which would you prefer to keep you warm on a cold winter night? Cold winter night. One thick woolen blanket or two thin woolen blankets joined together. Why? This I
Sir,
told
two thin woolen blanket.
Hari, what is the answer? One thick blanket or two woolen blanket. In a cold night, one a thick woolen blanket, or two thin woolen blanket.
Two thin woolen blankets, sir.
Why not? Why, Hari? Because
Sir, because wool traps wool's
Wool
air, sir.
and trap, sir.
yes,
It
if
is
you take a
trapped.
single blanket. Listen, so single blanket if you take it, so it may be thickness is more, but the amount of trapped
Yes,
air
sir.
will be less. The amount of trapped
Less,
air will
sir.
be less. That is what.
Less, sir.
So, the amount of trapped air, the amount of
The amount of trapped air is less.
trapped air is low. Now, if you take two blankets, two thin blankets, so this is the one blanket, understand? And this is the another blanket. So some air is trapped in
Some-
blanket. Understand?
And in between.
Yes, another air also black. Some more air is black here also, and in between them, some empty space is present. That is called as in that vacuum. That vacuum has been covered by more
Air.
more air is trapped.
Air.
So that what will happen? More trapped air is what? It is a bad conductor or good conductor?
Bad.
Trapped air.
Good conductor,
So
sir.
good conductor. More trapped air.
Sir.
Trapped air.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Bad conductor.
Yeah,
Bad conductor.
trapped air is more. So that it is what? It is very
Bad conductor.
bad conductor of heat. Understand, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what. So that is. So you can draw this diagram also. So what is the proper explanation? Proper explanation how to write, right? I would prefer to use two thin woolen blankets joined together. Two thin woolen blankets joined together to keep warm.
So now we want right.
Yeah, no. I will say. So what is happening? Because the two thin blankets joined together will have a layer of air which is trapped in between them. Correct or not? That is what.
Yes,
so
sir.
here trapped air is more. The amount of trapped air is more. So that what is happening? It will be work like a more good, very poor conductor of heat. Correct or not? So poor conductor.
Yes, sir.
Poor conductor of heat, so that it does not pass the heat energy exchanging from outside to inside and inside to outside. So being a very
Outside.
poor conductor of heat will prevent the body heat from going away from, understand, efficiently, and hence give me more warmth. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Understand, Hari?
Yes, sir.
That is what.
Yes, sir.
So that is why. So this is what the why we should wear two thick thin blankets compared to one thick blanket, because of some more extra layer of air has been trapped, so that it will be work like a good, very poor conductor of heat energy, so that it will never allow our body temperature to lose. It will make it more effectively, make our body warm.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason. Now let us come to the fourth question. A person has a white shirt and a black shirt. White shirt and a black shirt. Which shirt will make him more comfortable in winter and in summer? Give reasons for your answer. So
Sir.
let us say,
Sir,
yeah,
in winter season we can wear black shirts, sir.
yes.
In
Sir,
summer season we
summer
can
season-
wear
So,
we can
White
wear
color.
white
a
sir.
person is having, understanding, two shirts. One is what? White shirt.
Black and
Another
white
one
and
is called as black shirt.
black.
Black shirt. Now you see. So as we know that this is the, if we'll take this one, this is what a person. So if it comes to the black, so black one is what? It is a very good observer of
Black heat, sir.
very good observer of heat.
Heat.
Observer of heat. Heat radiations. Heat radiations. So that what is happening? If we wear in winter, what will happen? It will increase our body temperature. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is so. The black shirt will make the person more comfortable in cold winter season, because the black color, understand, will absorb more heat rays from the sun and keep him warm and comfortable in cold winter season. Correct or not?
Yes,
Cold
sir.
winter season. So good observer of heat radiations, so that it will comfortable, make it comfortable in which season? Make the person comfortable in which season?
Winter season, sir.
Comfortable in winter season.
Winter season.
Winter season. So same way
Yes, sir.
to the second part. White shirt. White shirt when Hari?
White shirt.
White shirt. We used to wear in
White shirt in summer. Summer, sir. Summer, sir.
summer days. Summer days we have to wear summer vacation, because white is a what? It is a poor
White is
conductor.
a poor conductor of heat, sir.
Understand? Sorry, poor observer.
Yes,
Understand? Poor observer of heat. Observer of heat radiations. Heat
Heat.
radiation. So most of the
Radiation.
light, what will happen? It will reflect the most of the light. Correct or not?
Yes,
Most
sir.
of the light. Most of the light. What will happen? Reflect back.
It
Correct
will
or not?
reflect.
Reflect
Yes,
back.
sir.
Understanding? Into the atmosphere. Into the atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
So what will happen? It will make our body to cool or hot. Make our body to
It are
make
cool.
our body to. Most of the
Cool.
sunlight it will be reflect back so that it will make him what? Cool? Cool or hot?
Cool.
Cool.
Cool,
Understand?
sir.
Harry? Make him cool.
Yes, sir.
And make him cool and comfortable. Make him cool and
Comfortable.
in summer. That is the reason. Understand, Harry? Not only
Yes,
white
sir.
color, all the light color.
Light
colors.
color.
Light colors. So here not only black. What is that? All
Dark colors.
dark colors. That's all. So this is what the fourth question. You understand, Hari? That is.
Yes, sir.
Let us come to the next one. Last question in this. So that is what last hearts, higher order thinking skills. Look at the figure
Yes, sir.
given alongside. This is the figure you have to see. Mark where the
Yes, sir.
heat is being transferred by conduction, convection, and by radiation. Let us mark it here itself. Where is
Yes, sir.
convection, and radiation?
Sir.
You have to tell. Yeah.
Yes, sir. That burner is touching the vessel, no, sir.
What?
That place is conduction, sir.
So what? Here the
burner,
the burner is touching. So you may observe here, metal is having some thickness, correct or not? Metal is
Yes,
having some
sir.
thickness, correct or not? So now if you'll
Yes,
start
sir.
heating, this bottom surface of the metal will heating, and from here to here, it is transforming by water. Only vibration of particles. So that is why
Yes, sir.
this is called as what?
Conduction.
Conduction, correct or not? Hurry.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us observe carefully. Next, you can see. So inside the water
Convection.
means water will go
Inside the
upward.
water.
Understanding? So water will go upward
Yes, sir.
and downward.
Convection current.
Here, inside the water, convection will take
Yes,
place.
sir.
Convection within water.
Convection.
Where-
Yes,
Convection
sir. Within water.
within
Takes
water.
place.
Within water. What will take place, Hari?
Convection.
Convection. Understanding? So now,
Yes, sir.
where
Yes, sir.
radiation will take place, Hari Mari?
Sir, from the top, sir. From
Top.
the top of
Top
the
not.
vessel to the
Top
water,
not,
sir.
Mari. Top not. From heat. See, here the bowl is burning. If I'll keep my hand here somewhere, what will happen? I will feel warmer or not?
Yes, sir. Without
Yes, sir.
touching it itself,
Yes.
yes, sir.
So not touching. If I'll keep just here, close to this also, I will feel warmer.
Yes,
So
sir.
from
Without
where to where?
touching.
From where to where? Without touching. So
From vessel to
from
the
side,
hand.
from sides. Do you understanding? From
Yes, sir.
side. Understand? So
Side.
this side also. This side also, as you know, because air is a what? Poor conductor of heat, but heat is
Poor
transforming
conductor of heat.
because of what? Radiation. What is that?
Radiation.
Radiation. Not only this
Radiation.
side. This side also it will take place. Correct or not? This side
Yes,
also
sir.
radiation only. That
It
is
will
what.
take place.
This is what we used to call as understanding, convection, conduction, and radiation. So here,
Radiation.
picture itself we can mention, or else you can draw here neatly so you can understand. So this is the bowl I am taking. This is what? Bowl. Understand? So
The
in this bowl,
container.
this is the outer layer and this is the inner layer. Correct or not? And I am taking the water.
Yes, sir.
I am taking the water. So now, if I start heating, what is happening? If I am providing the heat,
The touching part of the vessel and the burner is the conduction, sir.
yes. So here you can observe. So the touching part, wherever the fire is contacting, from here to here, what Hari? From here to here, we used to call it as conduction.
Conduction.
Understanding, Hari? That is called as
Yes, sir.
conduction. So conduction through what?
Conduction.
Through the bottom of a pan. What is that? Through the
Bottom of the pan. Bottom of the pan.
through the bottom
Bottom of
of
the
a
pan.
pan. Understand now? Here
Yes, sir.
going upward, coming
Convection
downward,
takes
going
place
upward.
within
Yeah,
the
coming
water.
down. So here convection within water.
Within water.
Next.
Radiation in the sides of the vessel, sir.
Yes.
In the
Like
top also it will come, no, sir.
top only evaporation will take place. So convection only there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is-
sir. Okay, sir.
Only water will evaporate. Correct, Mari?
Yes, sir.
So sides. Sides. What it is? Radiation.
Radiation.
So here also sides. It is what?
Size, radiation.
Not it.
Yes, sir.
Sides. So this is about. This is all about the higher order thinking skills in our chapter. So here we want you can draw even a handle also for this, like our T point.
Yes,
T
sir.
where we
Yes,
can
sir.
make. So this is made up of what? This is a poor conductor of heat. This is made up of backlight or some kind of plastics,
Yes,
polymer.
sir.
Where
Backlight, sir. Yes, sir.
where the very poor conductors are. Poor conductors are.
Heat.
That is what. So this is all about higher order thinking skills regarding this chapter. So now if you'll understand this very well, then from the next class, what we are going to study, Mari? The biology
Sir,
chapter.
we
for
didn't
PT1.
study MCQs, sir.
Okay. Do you want MCQs now? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just wait a minute then. Hari, are you there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, MCQs. Do you want in this PDF or direct I will say?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you want in this
Anyway,
PDF?
sir.
What?
Anyway, sir. Sir, are you posting the WhatsApp, sir? We will write and can we send?
No. I will. We will discuss.
Okay, sir.
Few we will
Okay,
discuss.
sir.
Few will later we will make it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Anyways, you can show, sir.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we start? Okay. Do it now.
Yes, sir.
Few will solve and few I will give you as a homework. Then you can do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Let us comes to here. Ready? Okay. Start with the first question. So this is the first question. Yeah, you can start.
Yes, sir.
So this is the first MCQ, second MCQ, third MCQs, and fourth one, and fifth one. Okay, solve it. First
Yes,
one.
sir.
An iron ball of 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water also 40 degrees Celsius. Then heat will be. Both the temperatures are equal. You can check it. Both the temperatures are equal. Ball also 40 degrees and the water containing
Yes, sir.
also 40 degrees. So what will happen? What will happen?
Sir, equal, sir.
Both same temperature. That is what you have to identify. Now you tell me. Both same temperature. Hurry. Both
Yes, sir.
same
Both
temperature.
same temperature.
Now you read the options and you tell me. Both same temperature. So flow from iron ball to water or not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball or flow from water to iron ball or increases the both the temperature. So which option is correct?
So one by one we want to increase.
Arey yaar, both are same temperatures, Mari. What I said, both are same temperatures means is it a heat transfer will take place? What is this?
No,
Mari?
sir. Then it will stop, sir. When there is same
what?
equal temperature means,
And then
sir.
what it is
Then
answer?
not flow, sir. Then not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball.
Iron ball. That is what.
Iron
Very.
ball.
Do you understand, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Hari.
Yes, sir.
So when it is
Yes, sir.
equal temperature, you see ball also 40 degrees, which is equals to water also, which is equals to what? 40 degrees. So no exchange of heat, no exchange. Because always heat will transfer from high to low, correct or not? So no exchange. So
Yes,
which
sir.
option is correct? B option is correct. You understand
Yes,
that?
sir. B, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
second question. Second question you see. Right. Some stainless steel frying pans are provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that why stainless
Yes, sir.
steel. You may notice in our home also you have that why it is provided with copper bottoms. Copper because copper is a what? Copper is a
Good conductor.
Copper
Good
is the
conductor of heat.
good conductor. Copper is
Good
a
conductor of
understanding better conductor of heat than
Yes, sir.
stainless steel. That is why. So which option is
Yes,
correct?
sir. The C, sir.
C. Understand, Hari?
Yes,
Copper.
sir.
Understanding. Next, a wooden spoon is
Yes, sir.
put in a cup of ice cream. Its other end, a wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. Options you read. It becomes cold by the process of conduction, becomes cold by the process of convection, becomes cold by the process of radiation, or does not become cold. Wooden spoon. That just now I have taught
Sir,
you in a
does
part.
not, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
does not become cold,
Does
sir.
not become cold. Understand, Hari?
Cold. Yes, sir.
Because
Bad
it is a what?
conductor, sir.
It is a bad conductor. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Bad conductor. Last, if you use the brain, you will get the answer. Next, the device used for measuring a temperature is called as tactometer,
Sir, mercury.
bolometer, or barometer, or thermometer.
See, sorry, sir. Thermometer, sir.
Thermometer. Next, an expansion of one of the following liquids is used for measuring the temperature in ordinary thermometers. That liquid is, what is that liquid? Liquid metal.
Mercury,
Only.
sir. Mercury.
Mercury. Only liquid metal. What is this?
Sir, mercury. Sir, one
Only
doubt,
liquid.
sir.
Ask me.
Sir, in our book, there like this question itself there, sir. But
Ah.
the answer is alcohol is the answer, sir. Why, sir?
Another thing which is not, you may read the question correctly. So maybe word will change. Check
Yes,
it.
sir.
Check it and send me the question. I will say. Next, which are the following
Okay, sir.
features are that of clinical thermometer? Clinical thermometers. Clinical
What's
thermometer you may observe, which is
Sir,
having
short
function.
Sir, clinical thermometer having short range of range, short temperature range.
What is the following features? Short range of temperatures. Next, as well as it is having constriction.
Sir,
Understand?
constriction,
Like a
sir.
net, correct or not? Like a
Like a
net
pen,
is
sir.
there.
Pen.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So this is only
Yes,
what
sir.
is it called?
Clinical thermometer, sir.
Yeah. So what is the answers? A and
A and B, D, sir, D.
A and D.
A
Where
and
is
D.
there? Option C. That's all. So option
Yes,
C is
sir.
the correct answer. Do you understand, Hari?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So like this, you have to solve. Remaining, I will send as a homework. You solve it. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
That's all. So thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So remaining, I will send you. This also I will send as a PDF. You remember and make it. Okay? Keep it with you. It will be
Yes,
useful.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you. Tomorrow onwards we'll start the next chapter. What is that?